All right, you're in. So let me show you how to use this the simplest way possible. After purchasing, you will be brought to this page. What I like to do is to prepare for this is to open up a Google Doc and then list the cars that I want to list for the week. I've got 4 cars over here that I'm going to show you what to do. As you can see, I've got a very basic listing over here and then a little bit more detailed over here. So let's copy and paste the first one, copy it, and then we go back to social motor mouth, and then we got to open up the GPT. Now you'll need a free chat GPT account. The paid one is better, but the free will work. This is a free version that I'm using. Once you do that, it will open up over here, and then all you do is you paste that description into the GPT, and then you hit send, and then it'll bring you a nice Facebook post, as you can see here. Reliable, sharp, ready to go, easy to park, contact Joe, XYZ cars, give you the Instagram X version. It'll give you a TikTok script on how to film it, and also give you the voiceover that needs to be done. As you can see, on-screen text, call to action. It'll also give you a short script for Facebook, as well as Instagram. So what I like to do after this is go over here, and then I just like to copy this, or you can just go down to the bottom here. Actually, easier this way. Go down to the bottom here, copy this, go back to your Google Doc, and then you can just paste it in here. Insert a horizontal line and then just paste it in there. And what it will do, it'll give you all that, so that now you can keep this to go put into your Facebook and Instagram, etc. So let's do the next one. Insert another horizontal line, and let's do the next one over here. Let's go to the top. And so we've done the Honda. So let's do the BMW. Now I've got a price with this one over here. So copy this one, and then let's go back to the GPT, and then hit enter, and it will produce everything for you. Facebook post, etc., etc., etc. So as you can see, it's going to give you a... Computer's a little slow this morning. So it's still thinking, producing all the stuff for you. But as you can see, it doesn't take you but a couple of minutes to create posts for your website. So let's go here, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and then we copy this over here, and then we go back to our document over here, and then I like to actually, for me, I would like to create a new tab, put that in there, and I could rename this tab over here. I could rename it output Facebook website post. We'll do that, and then go back to tab 1, and let's go do the Chevy Impala. Now you can see I've added in custom wheels over here. So back over here, and then it's writing there all the copy for you. Instagram, TikTok, etc. Voiceover is telling you how to do it. Copy that. Go back to your Google Doc. Insert a horizontal line, and then paste that in there. Go back to the Encore. Back to here. paste that in there, and it'll give you your Facebook post, Instagram. On the Instagram, it gives you the hashtags as well. Put in your thing there. Now all you need to do is go to your Facebook and Instagram, download a picture, and download the copy over here. So go to the bottom here, copy response, back to here, and then insert a horizontal line, and then, so now as you can see over here, I've got, in a matter of minutes, I've created 4 website posts without having to think of all this information over here, because it's programmed to sell cars. So there's the first one. Well, the first one's on the first. Here's the second one. And here's the third one here. So it's that simple. So after you've done all that, you can now show it on Facebook. And so don't overthink it. You know, just if you stay consistent with this, you'll have more eyes on your cars and more people walking onto your lot. I will be recording more videos for you on how to go about posting to Facebook and Instagram and scheduling it, so you only have to do this in one sitting and it will post daily for you, so you don't have to go onto Facebook and post every day or Instagram. I will put that in the next video.